What's up guys, welcome back to ROMs for you. Let's look at latest ROMKT Pro Forever 21.6.30 beta running on Xiaomi Poco F1. This is a part of MIUI 12.6 which is based upon Android 11. I will be covering all basic usability test, benchmark, CPU test, BGMI gameplay with FPS. As an addition, I will be adding phone temperature check to understand its thermal control. So before getting started, if you are new here, check out my channel for knowing more taste of my work and subscribe if you like them. So to begin with, let's quickly talk about phone session. As you see, the ROM is based upon MIUI 12.6 and they got the latest security patch from 1st July 2021, which is really great. The kernel they are using is D8G 4.2+. The current working temperature of this phone is 42.3 degrees Celsius, which is kind of normal for Poco F1. When it comes to security session, the ROM does has IR face unlock, fingerprint and more. All works pretty faster and reliable. The IR face unlock was broken when the initial release was out and it did resolve by the dev. Out of the box, the ROM is not encrypted. The another issue comes with this ROM is broken MIUI cam feature. Yes, the cam is still broken even after installing the latest fix file provided by devs, but there is support of Gcam available and it works great. For a person who looks for gaming won't be that much worried about MIUI cam, where there is a fully functional Gcam is available. Anyways, it is personal preference. To avoid disturbance from MIUI cam, I am disabling it now. The QoS panel includes screen recorder, but there is missing feature of recording internal audio and microphone at a time. Everything else is working pretty neat. Didn't notice any issues here. The ROM does not pass a safety net check out of the box. Also, device is not Google Play Protect certified. Since the ROM comes rooted out of the box with Magisk 23, you can also check the safety net via Magisk app. And after hiding Magisk, I was able to pass safety net checks. But still, since Google Play protection is broken, I doubt about all the banking apps. Moving forward, the recent menu includes floating window option and it works well. Everything was smoother and faster, including app opening time and animations. Out of the box, the AnTuTu scores 3,38,000 plus and Geekbench scores for single core 506 and multi-core 2057, which are bit low performance comparing previous ROMKT Pro versions. The another issue I noticed with this ROM was the notch hiding. The feature is missing from the ROM, but you will be able to hide the notch without a moving status bar. The next important feature is to check SE Linux status. If you open Terminal emulator and check for SE Linux status, it is permissive by default. But if you want, you can change it into enforcing, but there will be noticeable bugs after this, I believe. So now let's talk about Game Turbo. Yes, the feature is available and it is having voice changer. With previous, when I did tested, the voice changer was not working, but to verify the same in this build, I did tested with multiple players and it was working pretty great. Nice job devs. To understand more about performance, I am adding CPU throttling test. As you see, the ROM does started with a great value and by time performance was getting lower, but there is no major drops noticed in performance values. When I was gaming in this ROM, I did felt it is bit down performing from previous builds. Anyways, let's do a gaming test now. BGMI with smooth plus extreme settings. Keep in mind that there is no 90 fps extreme or Ultra HD enabled by default. If you want, you need to enable it manually. There is video which I have done before and you can follow the same if you want to. So, as I expected, the gaming experience was not that great comparing with previous ROM Kitty Pro 12.6 version, but you will be able to game without any major lags. FPS was near to 60 almost all the time, but still for a hardcore gamer need to use a overclocked kernel or any other performance based kernel for sure. I did try NGK and I was able to get more performance out of this ROM. Anyways, another great build from ROM KT Pro. If you want to experience the MIUI 12.6, this version should be worth trying. But keep in mind those limitations I was talking about. So hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Also, keep on watching the gameplay with FPS and subscribe if you like my work. Nothing more, nothing less. Till next time, be safe and take care.
I'm hit! Help! 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 I'm hit! Help!
Watch out on me.
I'm hit! Help! I'm hit! Help! I'm hit! Help! I'm hit! Help! I'm hit!
Form up on
Help!
me.
ऊपर चढ़ा हुआ है, ऊपर चढ़ा हुआ है, ऊपर चढ़ा हुआ है, ऊपर चढ़ा हुआ है। स्मोक नहीं, ऊपर चढ़ा।